a satellite TV box. So here the card door, and there's the card over there, and I can just take out the for a look. Okay, so the card is Bulsatcom, digital television at home. This is a card, I think is from a Bulgarian company. So the problem with this TV box is it's not turned on. Let's just have a try. This is a front. We have 3 buttons: power button, up and down button. If you look at the back, so we have the satellite dish cable in, and we have so the internet Ethernet socket, USB socket, HDMI socket, guard, and audio, and we have the power button. Switch power button on. Okay, what you can see here, inside there's the red LED, just from this, yeah, just for this SPDIF output. So we have a LED on there, and this side we don't see anything. And if we press the power button, nothing happening. Press again. Press again. If we press and hold, nothing. So it's not turned on. Now we're going to open this box and have a look what's the problem with this box. We unplug. How to open the case. This is the front plastic metal case, and if we're looking at the back, so we can see we have a screw here, we have another screw, we have another screw. Okay, it seems that we take these screws. At bottom we have a screw here, and we have another screw here. So we're going to take off this 5 screw. Oh, this is a sticker, guarantee sticker, and I think somebody has already opened this up, so sticker is not there very well. But we're going to have a look inside. So now we have taken the 5 screw out, and we can open the box. So the old screw and the bottom screw is all out. So just to make sure we can try to open the box. Okay, just pull backward. Okay, so that box. Let's have a look now. So maybe we can just try to switch on again to say what we can see. The LED. So just plug it in. So yeah, LED we can see there. That the power button. Switch it on. Nothing happening. See the LED there. So that's for the connector, optical connector. There are 2 LED, so we can see, or maybe not 2 LED, just 2 holes. So at least, yeah, it seems like 2 LED. But still, we got nothing at the front. So there must be a problem. Okay, let's unplug it. So inside, what do we have here? The main board and the power board. So like convention, And we have the main board in this color, the green color, and we have the power board in yellow color. So the television, they are doing this. So for this one, we can see here the subscription card for satellite TV, and we have the main board, all the connectors at the back, and we have a chip with think, that's the main chip, and we have connector here to the front panel. That's the cable. So from the panel, there's another circuit board here in the front panel, and I think that would connect the front button, front display, remote control, so through this cable. And another cable, I think this is a power cable from the power board, connect the things together. And we have the this is a power supply, main power supply, get in here, and we have a power switch over here, and this power cable through the power switch connected with this connector to the power board. So that's the connections. Firstly, it's not turned on, so we can check the capacitors first. On the main board, if you look at closer, so we can just feel if the top flat. If flat, there may be problem, but if it's not flat, definitely problem. And we also observe at the bottom if there's any leakage or so. So this seems okay. Seems fine. Seems okay. So that's the capacitors here. So we have a capacitor here. So here it's okay. It's two. Okay. Yeah, seems like on the main board seems okay. And on the power board we have this very big one. We can check, but it seems flat. Smaller one. Yeah, seems fine. Seems okay. Okay. Okay, that one. Look, that one bulged. So this should have a problem. And also this one. So that two together. And others, yeah, others seems okay. So definitely we're going to have a problem with this two capacitor. We're going to have a look. Now I have changed the bulged caps. So this is the one, the smaller one, a little bit bulged, you can see. And this is the bigger one, 1000 microfarad. So this is more obvious, it's bulged caps. And they're here and here, so I changed the two. After changed, I measured the wattage again, still the same wattage as before I changed. But hopefully when we have the load of the main board, and the wattage will be stable and good one to start the machine. Let's have a try. So I have got the cable plugged, got them screwed in, and this is a main power button, so we make sure it's off. Plug it in here, and suppose there's the LED there. Okay, we got red LED as before. Okay, so we have something working. It's loading. There's no signal, but it's loading. It seems much better. Okay, this could be the channel number. If we press down, yeah, up. Okay, up, down, 3, yeah. And if we press the power button, now it's changed to time. I think this should be the time. So when you switch off, it indicates time. When it's switched on, it indicates something like channel. Seems we have done the job, and hopefully I will put the case on and should be working. Let's test it with television. We have got a television, and I have connected to the HDMI. So I changed the channel to the HDMI, and I connected the HDMI cable here. So it is still on. I think now indicate time. I haven't set up time, but it's okay. So if we switch it on, we can see if there's anything. Okay, so there's something from the signal. So I think it's fixed. And also you can see the time displayed here, exactly the same as on there. So I think it's working.